the place where logistics problems are solved. I hurt my back real bad a couple weeks ago getting debris on and off my car hauler, which I use as a kind of a home dump trailer. And I think I'm done with that. So I really like these big Tex trailers that we have here where I am. So I'm gonna pick up a small dump trailer and hopefully that'll solve our trash problems for good. There she blows, fresh off the lot. Hasn't even left the lot. About to depreciate some stuff here. This is all the old stuff right here. And so if you wanted a medicine cabinet on this side, there's the electrical box. Looks like they were gonna put some sort of built-in shelf right there at some point. So you can see the loops underneath the foundation there. I thought they were gonna come down from the ceiling, but apparently not. It's like anti-shutter devices. Yeah, hold up. Keep going. Hold it down. Yeah. Oh, let me see. Yeah. You gotta push hard. Oh yeah. That's so much easier. What's going on, Ethan? You see it dumping? For a swimming pool. She's just filling a swimming pool.